Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you get Discord Nitro for free and easily. So let's jump right into it. First we launch Discord and then we go to settings right here by tapping this gear icon. Now you find many settings, go ahead and find the gift inventory one that is under Nitro settings. And then here tap on view quests. You find many quests that you can complete and get different prizes in different games, as you can see guys. Now if you want your prize to be a free Nitro, scroll down until you find the Nitro one. This is not it, and this is it. As you can see, it says claim 1 day of Nitro. You need to play any activity for 15 minutes on Discord. As you can see guys, it is not available in the moment. You should keep yourself updated in this page. Once you find it available, complete the quest and voila, you'll have your Nitro. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you soon.